everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I guess as you surmised by now, this is a Valentine's Day video. Yes, it is. It's a 12-channel Valentine's Day dessert collaboration. And we have all been so excited to get going on our desserts. So what I'm going to do is just list for you the channels that are participating in this. You'll be able to go down below in the description box, and the link to their video will be next to their name. So when this video is over, I want you to definitely go over there and check out what they're making. And also, you'll see on the top of the description box, there'll be a hashtag. If you tap on that, that should take you to everybody that's joining into this collab. So let me give you the names of all my friends that are participating in this, and then we'll get on to the recipes. Okay, the channels that are participating in this Valentine's Day dessert collaboration are moi, The Baking Diva. We have Ellen's Homemade Delights. We have Barb at the channel Take Control Beauty. We have Elliot from the channel Elliot Bakes. And there's Mitch and Philip from the Kitchen Queers. We also have Pam from Pam Over 50 Beauty and Lifestyle. And we have Mason from the channel The Sweet Spot. And also Alicia from the channel The 5 Foot Test Kitchen. And also Catherine from Catherine's Plates. And Sarah from Sarah Bites. And also Jeanette Pickering from that channel. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy all of the desserts that they're going to show you. We are going to have a good time today. So before I get started, let me see here. You know I'm cray cray. Anybody want a kiss? Well, what'd you expect? You're in the kissing booth. Alrighty. So today, what I'm going to make for you as my part of the collaboration is a candy treat. And it's called Brigadeiros. And they are a famous candy from Brazil. Some people call them fudge balls. Some people think they're like a truffle. But they're very, very popular in Brazil. In fact, from what I understand, at every birthday party next to the cake, you always see a tray of these. So I thought you would enjoy them today. And they are delicious and super easy to make. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do, oh wait, before I forget, the cameraman is behind the camera. Hi, cameraman.
Hi, cameraman.
Yeah, I needed him today because he is going to come with me in a few minutes. But first, let me show you what we need. First thing we're going to need is a pot. Oh, look, a rose petal flew into my pot. Don't you love my rose petals all over the table? And you're going to need to put in here, you're going to need to put some butter. We're going to put about a tablespoon of butter in here. So let me put that in. We're also going to put, this is so easy. It's basically like 3 ingredients to start. You need 1 can. This is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. So we're going to pour that in. Alrighty, want to get all that yumminess out of there. We're going to use now, this has to be chocolate milk powder, not your unsweetened chocolate. The best one to use is the Nesquick. This is the Nesquick chocolate milk powder. And we're going to put in 1/4 cup of this. I already measured that. I'm going to put that in. Alrighty. And next, I'm going to take you over to my stove and I'm going to show you what we have to do with this mixture. So head on over with me. Okay, so I put everything in the pan, in the pot I should say, and I'm stirring it and incorporating everything together. Now I have my gas on low to medium. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep stirring this. Actually, I'm going to use a spatula. That will work better. A silicone spatula. And we're just going to keep stirring this. And you know, it could take anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. It all depends. So I'll be back in a minute after I keep stirring this. And I'll show you what it's going to look like when I'm done. But you have to stand here and you do have to keep stirring it. You see how this is bubbling? And I'm stirring it constantly. That's one thing you have to make sure you do. Stir it constantly. Okay, so I think this is done and I'm going to show you how you know if it's done. If you take your spatula, let me tilt the pan, and you pull it to the side. You see that? If you can see, let me do it again. If you can see the bottom of the pan for 2 or 3 seconds, you see what I'm doing? I'll do it again. You see that? Then you know it's done. So let me go over to the table now and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to take a dish. Take a dish and butter your dish. You can do a flat plate or you can do like a low bowl like this. You're going to take your mixture and you're going to spoon it into your buttered dish. Get all that yumminess out of there. While I'm doing this, I should remind you, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it so you'll get a notification whenever I have a new video up. And you can make a comment and hit that like button because YouTube loves when you hit the like button. It helps promote my video. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for maybe an hour or so. You can actually leave it out for a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours if you want. But what you want to do is you want it to firm enough where you could pick it up. You want to be able to roll it into balls in your hand. So I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to come back and show you what we do at the end. So don't go away. All right, I'm back. I took this bowl out of the refrigerator. Remember, it was buttered. And pretty much this is how it's going to look. It's sort of like a taffy consistency. So you just have to make sure it's cool. So what do we do next? Let me put a dish over here to the side. Now, first thing you're going to need are these little mini cups. They're the little tiny ones. They have them all different kinds. I got red and white polka dot. I've got solid red. I found some heart ones for Valentine's Day. So you need the little tiny ones. So you're going to take one of your cups and then you're going to take, I don't know, try to get the same amount of the Brigadeiros consistency, or is it Brigadeiros? Whatever. I don't speak Portuguese and I'm not from Brazil, but I'm trying. So anyway, you're going to take a little pinch of it. You can use a spoon if you want. And you're going to roll it into a nice ball. Now, this recipe will probably make maybe 25 to 30 of them. Now you're going to take your ball. Now, the traditional Brigadeiros, they use the little chocolate sprinkles on them. But you can use any color sprinkles you want. Now I'm going to take it and roll it around in my chocolate sprinkles, just like that, and then place it in the little cup. I decided because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to make some of them in the pink and the white, and some of them in the chocolate sprinkles. Look how easy this is. You're just rolling it into a nice ball. You're rolling it around here. here into your little sprinkles. You have your little cup here, and then you put it in. And these look so pretty when you have them out on a platter. And they're sort of like it almost comes out like a chocolate caramel flavor. Like I say, they're very, very popular in Brazil. I thought these would be a nice little treat for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to continue making these, but I'm going to taste one first. So let me take a little piece, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it on the river. I'm losing my mind. Oh boy. So anyway, don't forget, when my video's over, go over and see everybody else and see what they're making. I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. Now let me take a bite of this. In fact, let me pop this in my mouth. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Very chewy inside. Mmm. Mmm. You're gonna love them. Mmm. Make them yourself. And make them with your kids. Let me make you a pink one. So, I want to wish everyone a very happy Valentine's Day. Oh, look how pretty the pink and white looks. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Put that in a little cup here. And when you have these out on your platter, they're gonna look beautiful. And did you notice, I'm sure you did, all my rose petals on my table? I don't know. I got up this morning, there was roses, there was rose petals. I think Cupid was here. What do you think, cameraman?
Surely.
So anyway, I'm gonna keep rolling, rolling, rolling these. I'll take a nice picture of this platter. You really should make them. Look how easy. Only had 3 ingredients in here, and your sprinkles, and your little cups to put them in, and that's it. So anyway, thank you all for tuning in. I hope to see you all very soon. Let's see, have a great weekend. And for now, I'll say, wait, let me put my lips in. Toodles!